Good morning, beautiful boy. This is your last morning with us. The happiest dog in the world. My Riley Roo. Riley Roo, who loves you. He is the happiest boy. Yes, he is, my Riley Roo. And I love you very, very much. And I hope that you will always remember that. Look. and Hudson and Summer love you too, Mr. Roo. I got you a stylish 4th of July bandana to celebrate with your new family. And this is the hardest part. I'm fostering because letting go is hard. And I just hope that you won't miss us as much as we'll miss you. That you'll love your new family and that you'll charm the pants right off of them like you did us. And I hope that you'll take with you everything that we taught you and just be happy, okay? We love you, Mr. Roo. Have a happy life. Couldn't ask for a better foster. I will miss you terribly. Riley Roo, who loves you. I do.